This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Iris Rivera. Come check it out. First floor spacious 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.Tub in guest bath and stand-up shower in owner suite. Upgraded condo. This property has gone a complete renovation beginning with beautiful porcelain tiles. The kitchen has been completely transformed with LED dimming lights, brand new energy efficient stainless steel appliances, gorgeous granite countertops with subway tiles for the backsplash. Sturdy wood cabinets with soft close doors. These cabinets offset the brand new wide baseboards beautifully. Water heater has been replaced. Air conditioner unit is also scheduled to be replaced. New ceiling fans have been installed in both bedrooms for quality airflow. All the electrical wiring has been upgraded. Entire condo has been repainted including the back porch. Home has top-of-the-line ADT screen touch system for maximum security. All you need to do is transfer your service over. Come and relax in your screened-in back porch and enjoy the sounds of the water fountain as you would in a tropical oasis. This unit is located in the gated waterfront community North Bay Village in Tampa. It offers 4 community pools, a clubhouse, tennis courts, basketball court, playground and public boat dock. Near shopping, hospitals, beaches and TPA Airport. Great rental income potential between hurry. It won't last long. It's ready for you to call at home. Call for your showing appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Iris Rivera at 813-512-2100.